Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make grilled balut sauce. First, gather your fresh ingredients for the best flavor. You will need 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Also, prepare 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion. Don't forget 1 small red chili, deseeded and minced, if you enjoy a little spice. Now, let's combine these wonderful ingredients. In a small bowl, pour in the fish sauce, lime juice, and sugar. Stir gently until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a smooth base. Next, add your minced garlic, the finely chopped red onion, and the minced chili. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors are well incorporated and begin to meld together beautifully. To truly perfect your grilled balut sauce, let it rest for at least 15 minutes. This crucial step allows all the vibrant flavors to fully develop and deepen. After resting, taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want more lime for tang or extra chili for heat. Serve this incredibly flavorful sauce immediately with your freshly grilled balut or any other grilled meats you enjoy. For best results, always use fresh ingredients. If you have any leftover sauce, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika to the mixture. This will give your sauce a subtle, smoky depth that pairs wonderfully with grilled items. Remember to check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade grilled balut sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.